Should I stay or should I go? Learn to say go and come in Hindi. You are brave. You can do this. Chalo, let's go learn Hindi.
नमस्कार हरा धनिया बारीक कटा हुआ एक टेबल स्पून आप सबको बहुत
Hi guys, welcome to day 28 of the 30-day Hindi challenge. You are here just almost at the end. Keep going strong because we're almost through. Okay, our vocabulary for today is chahana, which is the verb which means to want to do something. All right, you're like, wait, why did you teach us this chahiye thing if there is a verb form of it? Well, it doesn't really work in that way. Like, you don't normally use it in a verb form to say, I want something. We use chahiye if you want something. But if you want to do something, if you want to perform an action, i.e., if you want to do another verb, then you use chahana. And yes, it is a verb. So we do drop the na and add our verb endings onto it, right? Chaha being our base, the base of the verb, chahana. And our second vocabulary word is jana, which means to go. Jana. Yes, it is also a verb. Yes, we would also normally drop that na ending. But something that's interesting, and you'll see in our grammar key, is that with our verbs today, we're actually not going to be dropping the endings. Okay, this is going to be really interesting. So jana is our verb, but normally we do drop that na and we're left with ja, which is our root, but today we're not going to drop that. And our final vocabulary word for today is ana, which means to come. Ana. It's also a verb. Also, you would normally drop that na and be left with the root, which is a, but today we're not going to drop that root, that verb ending. We're going to use the entire form of the verb. All right, I hope you guys are excited by today's grammar key because you're like, what's going on? This is something weird. But trust me, it's going to make total sense. So our grammar key for today is मैं आना चाहता हूँ. I want to come if I'm speaking as a man. Or मैं आना चाहती हूँ. I want to come if I'm speaking as a female. All right, so what is going on here? Let's break it down. मैं, I, आना, the full form of our verb, to come, right? Because we're saying, even in English, I want to come, right? We're saying the verb in that form, what's called the infinitive form, but you don't have to worry about that. Don't have to worry about the grammatical terms or whatever. But मैं आना, I, to come, चाहता हूँ, and this is the verb with the endings attached. That means to want, right? To want to do something. So since I'm pairing this with another verb, the verb ana in this case, to come, I am not, using chahiye. We're not using chahiye. Chahiye is for when you want something, but now we want to do something. So we're using this verb, the verb form, chahana, right? And we use chahana just like we use any other verb that we've used thus far, is we drop that na ending and we add our ta or we add our t based on whether we are speaking as a man or speaking as a woman. मैं आना चाहता हूँ. मैं आना चाहती हूँ. I want to come, speaking as a man, And मैं आना चाहती हूँ, speaking as a woman. Our second grammar key is मैं जाना नहीं चाहता हूँ. मैं जाना नहीं चाहता हूँ. मैं जाना नहीं चाहती हूँ. मैं जाना नहीं चाहती हूँ. Okay? I do not want to go. So we're using a different verb. Now we're using the verb jana, which means to go. And again, we're not dropping the ending because we're saying to go, right? I do not want to go. And the only thing that's different in this sentence is we're saying it now in the negative, whereas our previous sentence we were saying, I want to come. Now we're saying, I do not want to go. So speaking as a man, मैं जाना नहीं चाहता हूँ. I do not want to go. Speaking as a woman, मैं जाना नहीं चाहती हूँ. मैं जाना नहीं चाहती हूँ. I do not want to go. All right, and our final grammar key is मैं काम नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. मैं काम नहीं करना चाहती हूँ. मैं काम करना नहीं चाहती हूँ. So there's a little bit of ambiguity in where you put the nahi, right? So sometimes you'll hear मैं काम करना नहीं चाहता हूँ. मैं काम करना नहीं चाहती हूँ. मैं काम नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. मैं काम नहीं करना चाहती हूँ. I feel this is kind of the most natural where I've put it right now. So मैं काम नहीं करना चाहती हूँ. And I'm showing you this because when you use the I want to do something, there's not always just going to be a verb like I want to go, but you may want to say I want to do something, I want to eat something. So to know where that object is placed, I've shown you this form or this grammar key. So keep this in mind. मैं काम नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. Or मैं काम नहीं करना चाहती हूँ. I do not want to do work. All right, let's spend a minute or two drilling this. मैं टीवी देखना चाहता हूँ. मैं टीवी देखना चाहता हूँ. I want to watch TV, speaking as a man. And if we were to say it as a woman, मैं टीवी देखना चाहती हूँ. मैं टीवी देखना चाहती हूँ. Okay, you should know the masculine and feminine endings at this point, so I'm not going to continue to point those out. मैं रोटी नहीं बनाना चाहता हूँ. मैं रोटी नहीं बनाना चाहता हूँ. मैं रोटी नहीं बनाना चाहती हूँ. मैं रोटी नहीं बनाना चाहती हूँ. I do not want to make roti or bread. मैं आलू खाना चाहता हूँ. मैं आलू खाना चाहता हूँ. मैं आलू खाना चाहती हूँ. मैं आलू खाना चाहती हूँ. I want to eat potatoes. मैं लस्सी नहीं पीना चाहता हूँ. मैं लस्सी नहीं पीना चाहता हूँ. मैं लस्सी नहीं पीना चाहती हूँ. मैं लस्सी नहीं पीना चाहती हूँ. I do not want to drink a yogurt shake. मैं हिंदी बोलना चाहता हूँ. मैं हिंदी बोलना चाहता हूँ. मैं हिंदी बोलना चाहती हूँ. मैं हिंदी बोलना चाहती हूँ. Awesome. You guys completed day 28 of the 30-day Hindi challenge. We're almost through. And if you do want to speak Hindi, I encourage you to check out our other courses online at HindiUnlocked.com. Don't stop with this challenge. Continue learning Hindi. And also join our community online. Join our Mighty Network. You can find out more about that on the website, and you can find out more about that in the 30-day challenge emails that you've been receiving as well. Okay, I'll see you guys back here tomorrow.